Most everyone understands property coverage. If my building gets burned down, it replaces my building. If my contents of my building get damaged, hurt, it gives me new contents. Ordinance or law is a coverage that's not well understood and is very typically underinsured in many contracts. Ordinance or law says that when the building was built, there were certain ordinances, building codes in your city that the building was built to meet. But if that building were to be destroyed today and need to be rebuilt, there are new requirements, new codes, new restrictions. American Disability Act requirements may have changed since the building was built. And the building today would have to be built to those requirements. What even gets worse is that if the building is half destroyed, the city could say, you need to tear down the entire building and replace all of it. This is where ordinance and law comes in. Your building policy, standard CP 0010, which is what everybody uses in their standard building form, says we will replace damaged property with like kind that has been damaged by a covered cause of loss. Covered cause of loss is a fire. It burns half your building down. They want to replace that building with like kind. In other words, we'll build it back exactly like it was. Well, now the city is saying, no, you'll build it back with new building codes. You're going to add sprinklers. You're going to insulate windows and walls, and you're going to do things that weren't there. Also, you're going to tear down the other half of the building that isn't damaged, but it doesn't meet our code requirements. Your insurance policy and carrier are going to say, time out. Your property form says we'll replace the damaged portion of the building that was damaged by fire with like kind. The ordinance or law coverage is what steps in and says we'll pay for the additional costs of construction, for all of the extra water piping, for all of the extra ADA requirements, if a ramp has to be built. In other words, all the things that were not part of the original construction. It will also pick up the cost to go into the non-damaged portion of the building and tear it down and rebuild a portion of the building that your property form would say it's not damaged, we're not touching that. Ordinance or law says we'll cover that, we'll include it, and we'll put it all back in brand new. So ordinance or law coverage becomes extremely important and something that everybody should be looking at and asking about at the time of renewal on their policy.